Hey everyone, it's Tom from HIDprojectors.com, and we've got these really awesome LED projectors that are quite unique, and we're going to do a quick review of them so you guys can see exactly what you're getting if you choose to purchase something like this. So first off, you're probably going to notice, hey, this doesn't look like the standard type of projector I've ever seen before. Very, very cool design. Quite large though, it's quite long and has two optics here. You've got your main low beam here in the projector section and then your high beam here down here. Now we opted for this version, which is the LED high beam. There is a laser high beam version, but just to be quite honest with you guys, it's pretty cost prohibitive, and in our testing, high beam usage really isn't the main focus. So spending more than $1,000 on a pair of these for just to get the laser high beam really didn't seem to be the best use of our money, and likewise we assume it's not the best use of your money as a customer. So let's go through these. You've got drivers down here. So there's some looks like some kind of aluminum based driver. You've got very easy connections. This is going to connect to the low beam and the high beam, and you've got your three power wires. So ground, power, and high beam. Very easy to hook up, very easy to control. Quite large, and like I said earlier, it's got a big heat sink on the back with an integrated fan for cooling. Really something unique here that we saw is the construction here seems to be really, really nice. You've got four adjusters back here to adjust the actual position of the beam, and they're all on little ball sockets here, so really well designed in my opinion. Now I haven't installed these yet to see how they function, but that's unique. You don't usually get that with a projector, so theoretically you can use these mounting points to mount this thing, and if you don't get it just right on the vertical plane, you may be able to give it a little bit of adjustment here, and you might have a horizontal adjustment as well. I'm not sure exactly how these work, but pretty neat stuff. If you guys are interested in something like this, we will have it for sale on HID Projectors. I know you're probably wondering, well, that's great, they look cool, but how do they perform? They perform relatively okay. They definitely are not going to blow you away in terms of output. To put it in perspective, the lux reading on these came in at 35 at the hot spot, measured at 100 feet away. Put that in perspective, our iLens Bi-LED came in at 62, and the M-LED came in at 60. As far as width was concerned, these came in at 10 lux at 100 feet, measured 15 feet away from the hot spot, and that too is relatively low. The iLens came in at 15 lux, and the M-LED came in at 7, so had a brighter width than an M-LED, but certainly not the same hotspot. But these things are undeniably cool. I mean, you could even stack them this way, have multiples in your headlights. I mean, wouldn't that be a pretty cool look? You could more than likely figure out a way to put a demon eye in here. You probably could figure out a way to even stack these if you wanted to stack them or offset them. They might be cool fog lights. You could eliminate the high beam. Lots of cool things could happen here. Pretty unique setup, pretty unique design. So if you are interested in something like this, give us a call or head on over to HIDprojectors.com to check them out. Thanks for watching.